one, Gagajoy is cooking. I'm in the process of making biscuits and gravy for 15 people. And I've never, well, I guess I made it for 12, but not 15, but my granddaughter needs it for her nursing class. So that's what I'm doing right now, is trying to start the process of frying the sausage first. And there shouldn't be any problem. I'm going to do it in 2 batches, I think. It'll probably be the best way to do it. I got my biscuits. Stick those in here. And, my sausage was so lean that I actually had to put a little bit of vegetable oil in it. But when you get good sausage, it is that lean. Of course, it'll cook out now. I'll have to have a little bit of oil to make the gravy. I'm trying to get some of this sausage out here now so I can make the gravy. I'm going to leave some of the sausage in here. Another small oil. I try to put about the same level of flour as I would have oil or grease, whichever one you want to put it. Because it has to, and you'll know it is when it moistens everything. See, and it's not hanging around. In other words, you don't see it, the oil hanging around. Okay. Now, you have to let that cook for a while to get that raw flour out of it. And I'm going to put about a half teaspoon of salt, and the same thing with pepper. This is just the plain. And I like my sausage a little brown. My gravy a little brown. I'm not a white gravy person. Okay. Let's see, that's about right. Now it's just a matter of stirring it, get the stuff off the bottom. Yep, I'm going to have to add a little bit more milk. At this point, if you maybe don't have enough milk, you can use a little bit of water. It doesn't hurt a thing. It's just as good as the milk is after it gets to this level. So don't be scared to do that. 1 pan of gravy. Those are good. There's our pot of for 15. I know you've been bored sitting here, sitting there, watching me make the gravy, but I hope those who don't know how to make gravy learned a little bit. If you want to ask me, just go to my site. I'll be glad to answer your questions. We're off. Have a good day. Thanks for watching me. Thanks for watching me make the gravy. Drop by someday and I'll make you some too. And remember the joy this week. There's a lot of sadness in the world. Take care of yourself. Go in and subscribe and ring that bell. See you soon.